Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to generate an image using AI here on the Wix Harmony Editor. Let's get started. Go to the Add button on the top left, and from here, click on Generate Image. First, make sure that you select the area where you would like to place your image, and then start typing in what kind of image you want to generate. By the way, the more specific your description is, the better the image will be. Once you're done typing, hit enter on your keyboard or you can click on this button right over here. And basically, just wait for Aria to finish generating your image. And there we have it. Your image created in just a few easy steps. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.